Slow down.
You have to make 2 back steps.
Yeah, here you go. Where?
I'm your follow on YouTube.
How you reach here?
To Lando.
Lando, prime time Lando.
Yes.
Alright, welcome. You're part of the family now, you know. You come America and take a back step.
And then become American and then you slow down. Yeah. As a man, you believe in a God and you break it up.
People, it's a vlogging moment. It wasn't planned. I got the bros here. One Driscoll. Devin the Master. See a new name there. Devin the Master.
That's it.
New name.
That's it.
We're here tonight. We don't know what's going on. Last week was his birthday, so we just have all our vibes. We're not really in the hypeness now. We don't go to club, we just hang out and vibe. So we'll probably go eat some food. Stuff like that. Nothing crazy. Cause we grown. We stopped our party while we married and even Andre. I joke. Ladies, look at him good. He's actually the only single one. And then look for your wife. Make sure you can cook. You love it, that can cook. What else, Andre? Make sure you believe in a God. Make sure, this is the big one. Make sure you're ready to submit. You have to submit, you know. If you can't submit, you know, the boss don't want you to even come near it, you know. And make sure you're between, don't get the age. 26 to 35. A female group. Because you want to breed something.
It's a blooper reel.
He's looking for he's looking for a wife. He's looking for a wife. People.
All of a sudden I get a strange message.
Not a baby mother. He's not looking for a baby mother. He's looking for a wife, a partner. You know? One Driscoll. I know where I come from, you know. I know a man different, you know. It's very special, very rare. So ladies, if you look for a good man, a Jamaican man, see him there. Promotion in a boy.
No, man, you can't put that up.
What do you have to say? You going viral.
100%. No.
Say something to the people. Say something to the world.
Hey, blessings.
Hey, drink tea.
I'm praying for everybody back home. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you know. Drinking some JB. You know what time it is. They hit the road.
Who that pan a cup?
But yeah. That's it.
One Jones.
One
People
Jones.
they all say, wow, they drink out that teacup. People.
No, man, don't put it up for real, man.
It's going up.
No.
So go ahead and I'll make sure you write the paper just in case they try to sue me later. But we about to go somewhere, guys.
We hit the road.
When we hit the road, yeah.
Jamaica. No boy can't make me left. Oh, you go. No boy can't make me run left Jamaica.
You know what time it is, bro. Let me go and get into the stash right now. Get a little something. Man, you know we give up the street, bro.
Yeah, we do it right now.
Hey,
They might get older.
Yeah.
No, I have focus on.
You know if you watch Play Boy.
The thing they check steady here for me.
Make
Check steady, cause hey.
Yeah.
I just say bill for my mother now, cause I'm doing
I save money. What should I?
what she do?
Find a relationship.
find it. Alright.
So if I'm
window, keep being low and stay out of relationship.
Exactly.
Oh, so the opposite.
Exactly. Come on now, the real one they know him.
Yeah. They know what to do.
The real one them know.
Alright.
They know they sit out there for a
So they
relationship.
dip on a mission sometimes.
To be honest,
Yeah.
you might be onto
just
something.
build.
You might be onto something, you know. If you want to save money as a man,
Yeah.
go dolo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes
Exactly,
keep
yeah.
your focus
That's
myself a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
So you know,
Reach
say your
when
brother,
you
you know.
reach.
Man
Until
come
I
here and
can
then watch you
do
one
something.
player, so you know your brother them.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
We just come.
Easy one.
Comfortable enough to come and watch play.
That's how we live, man. We all family around here. You know.
Easy one.
You know. That's it.
Alright, we're going on the road.
No more one.
Me have friends, you know, yeah.
Oh, it's in a driver.
Alright, let me help you out.
Like a thing graphic for it. Oh, that's cool.
Alright, people. One Driscoll I carry out tonight, you know. Even me I drive it tonight. Me not drive, even though I feel birthday, the boss want to drive, so when I drive, we drive theme car, you know.
Put that seatbelt on.
Alright, yes sir, yes sir. Put my seatbelt on. This vlog's a little bit different. Y'all getting to know me. Oh, where's your seatbelt there? Alright. Active.
Girl, them a wine, Jamaicans live up the night.
It's alright. People, we had another location. Another location at my cousin's spot. David the boss. Oh, in there. Let's see my little nieces, man. They probably here looking nappy, probably don't want it on TV. Oh, never mind. Here, right here. I thought we was going up there. You doctor them up there? You doctor them up there? Sleep. On Big Friday. Alright, we're gonna go up there then. One J Skull. Look, watch out. People, look at this. Look at this guy. The man having travel bag, you know.
Relax, man.
Man having travel bag. Wait, let me see. Hold on. We have to put light in there. Brushing at the travel bag.
Can't travel.
Ladies, he's single. He's single. You see, when you're single, you have to travel with. Me not even brush my hair now. Years when I brush my hair now. I'm married.
You're right, you know, years. I mean, you don't need to brush.
The boss traveling cologne, toothpaste, toothbrush, everything. One dress code. Are you?
No, let me drive.
Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica.
What's it, your ball?
We are here.
Stop crying, man. You know, so where's the AMG? AMG, I want.
No, I say that can run on the
Hey, trust me, it most definitely can.
Man, you get that to that with company.
Keep going, so man.
Yeah, man, I feel we place, man. Nobody don't know me, you know. I'm a stranger. Night, good night. Wow. Hey, good.
Yes, man.
What's up, boss?
You there?
Alright.
You good?
What we have?
Yeah, man, same thing, man. Not change. Same thing.
Alright, me some fried chicken.
Some fried chicken? I some fried pork.
Those, I mean, you know what I do.
Then you're right, please. Come on them there.
Right now, everything Jamaican here. But what's that? And it's in the wrong one.
So let's go to our brush.
Yeah, man, they can return and get back nice store.
No, they're not have it in the store.
You still can return it nice?
No, I'm returning it in the store. Yeah, that means I'm out of online.
Strictly Jamaican jersey.
They say I'm free to buy a next one.
Why? Just return the same one?
Yeah, man, they said they mess up the one inside.
People, it's a quick little hangout spot. If you watch my channel, you know where I am. A regular hangout spot. This is where we come eat some good fish, swimmers. You know, good vibe. To be honest, we're probably the youngest people here. That's why I like it. You know, they run here by all young people, and the young people bring too much drama. We know in young people them, hooligan them. We're there with the big people them, you know. Alright, Dresco, sample the soup, because we know say you know. You're not soup, man.
Oh, me see the spoons.
Man.
Taste it, man.
Body. But the fish is still.
Yeah, but these are the seafood eaters right here.
Yeah, but
You know, nothing else, you know, experts.
Yeah, it can go on.
I see different because like soup is like
Yeah.
anything is like hard for grade after that. Right?
Yeah, no.
When you imagine
This not. This I compete with, you know. This about the same.
no
Aduza. Owen.
Owen.
Yeah, Owen. Yeah,
Owen.
yeah.
Yeah. The girl never say Owen
but
makes
this, yo,
soup is like
better.
that you have to use to grade everything.
Yeah, man.
This not bad. This.
No, this
we
is
feel
like,
we feel
it's not bad enough.
Oh.
But if you know the Owen level now, it's like anything where.
We feel like this I compete with it. This they round there. Alright, let's see if it was spot.
Me don't know when true in there, but
No man with the ground there one time. Then if I Devin birthday or something get
Yeah,
there.
I'm a birthday man, yo.
I may get a thing of soup. I may do that.
Yo, me can make soup.
Can't taste everything in there.
Definitely can make soup. You see that man there? That man there, bro. When he makes soup, he makes soup on a different level.
I mean, mash up the red peas there, them I like. I'm surprised myself when I taste it. Say, yo, I eat this. You know what taking it now? You put the okra, make it. Remember, I said the okra will make it a little
slime.
Add
give it a little
more
thickness
texture
to it.
Yeah. So the thing is that when I make that soup, I feel if you have red peas in that, you don't need no pumpkin. Get the pumpkin on it.
We put all like
Pumpkin go make it thicker into it.
Yeah, but you don't need it because
we put it in there. I remember say I bought it, me just put it in there for
no, but if you want to eat, if you have food, you can do that. You can,
yeah. When I make me seafood too, can I make it all the time? See it?
These seafood
Listen, me have my okra
experts,
in it.
guys.
Me have my okra in it, see it?
Yeah.
Me have my gosa boom. Me have my okra, me have my pumpkin, me have my chocho, me have my seafood mix. See, me have my conch. See, listen up, me have my
chocho in there.
And then me have one little piece of banana and one little piece of yam. Boom. I'm drop that. I'm fish, my fish tea mix noodle.
Yeah.
And drop in that. And a couple, they call it
spinners.
That
you make spinners just straight flour, you still do it with like a cornmeal.
Sometimes I just make it straight.
Me like cornmeal dumpling.
No, straight forward.
You're not fit.
Just straight forward.
Me don't like cornmeal dumpling, period.
Because you don't know. You see, when I make my soup, I make my soup on a level where you have something to it, but this is a tea still.
Yeah, it's a tea.
So a fish tea not gonna
so
go
just
with a
appetizer
soup.
for one.
But me like the fact say, you know, taste fishy. You know, sometimes you drink some fish
because
tea.
you know the reason why it tastes fishy. Because you boil the fish, and get the raw water and pour it off, and then you drop the fish the night after that.
Yeah.
Because you have to get rid of the
Like
rawness.
that.
I'm just trying to explain to you, that's what make the rawness.
Just same thing you do with chicken when you boil chicken when you
Yeah, you get
you know all the stuff with the pan
the first, but that's the real water.
Me know.
And they didn't
But
even
it
know.
depends on how you want
No,
it.
but that's the real water, and I'm not going to try to explain to you.
You mean the broth?
No, the first water you dash it off,
That's the broth, yeah, because that have all that stuff in it.
strength
When you boil up in it, yeah.
you run from the rawness.
True.
It's not bad. Nobody know, but like me I say,
Eat the food, man. I'm not hungry.
Me drink first, man.
the soup with the pan can, there's soup and food.
What?
Oh, hell no, wait, hold on. Oh, me
Yeah,
think it.
Lando come ready.
Yeah, why?
God, I thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. I'm so lucky, Lord, as I walk with me. I'm a God beat this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. Told you. I gotta thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. Only got the Lord, it's got nobody.
We get full quick. So, you have a sample everything. If I drink this half, I might not be able to eat it.
If them have a bag, I can't listen with it. It's what I'm saying, man. Because I take my time to sip this thing, because it's hot, so I'm not going to rush through, you get me, I say? And then I'm not going to really eat this until...
I still not drink tea, man.
The problem that...
What? Food?
Yeah, because if this hot, I take my time to sip this thing. I have to go through this before I start.
But I hit me in the time, you the bar about soup, and we left over the house.
Yeah,
I pay soup.
no, but what I'm saying...
You may want the red pea soup, probably.
No,
yeah,
but no, but the red is that. It's not two different things.
Yeah,
But
two
what
different
me I
things.
say, what me I say, this is a tea.
This is
so
a
I'm going to
tea.
take my time, sip through this.
Right.
Meaning me not touch this until this done.
Alright, here you go. But this is a tea. A soup is different from a tea. A tea is just you just put the fish,
Yeah.
take you out of the water there, pour the water there off and put it back in the pot and take out it. Put you got in just put a tea there. That's a regular. You know go hard in that. When they make a soup like a cousin they make soup.
That's how they soup.
You see what we make when we do at the house? That's soup. You have everything in
Soup.
there.
Yeah.
They said pick me meat.
You have everything good like
Let me go through. Yeah, man. DJ, you know. So we're there, brother. Yes, sir.
Oh, you spot, you know?
I gotta thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. Only got the Lord, it's got nobody. Cause I'm gonna beat the distance by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. I told you. Hey yo, I just a vision, that's a mind, that's a mindset. Thank you for God for guiding my step. Man, I have much, but I'm still blessed.
Yeah, if any grill come, yo. I went, was it?
Yeah, they
was
me a favor, yeah, we come about 3 days straight.
No, I'm good on my cousin Manuel. The man can come at the yard and he say, yo. So I never eat grill come, and the man say, yes, when you eat this, I come here, you trust me. And the man goes to boom and put it on the grill outside.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, smoke cook. Yo, when the man cut up here and come and says, for me, eat this. Yo.
I say, but
Yo.
well seasoned up.
Yo, buddy, yo, yeah, better than find that. I always want to eat that come back again. Yeah,
I'm saying no shellfish.
The other day, me and Fabian out there, we find one little spot.
Yeah.
Over there, so of course, close to Esho. We go there about 3 days in a row. Curry conch, brown stew conch, I beat that with the pan.
No, but you know, say conch at Jamaica cheaper than here.
Of course.
People $20 here for conch.
Yeah.
Jamaica can't get that.
Early morning, I go dive and pull in one cup.
Yeah.
And just say, hey, go on.
Yeah.
You know?
True.
But you have to export it, them have to do this, them have to
We
do all kind of
can't
stuff.
just look at it and catch
Yeah.
it. Come from here.
This man I go straight to Bahamas and get in.
Yeah.
Every Tuesday. They have a boat that go to Bahamas. I even fish them. I fish them, I don't know, a fresh fish.
Yeah.
They have a boat down at Key West. Not film boat, but a couple of them
go over there.
invest in a boat and that the fish. I guess pretty much what I must say. That the fisherman and them response for him pretty much. When that money coming with him fish them and things, I them pay for it. A couple of them he said.
Yeah, okay. In response to couple chef.
Yeah. Me go to one Spanish restaurant at time, me and Darcel.
Yeah.
And me go and go order, what you call something fish? And me say, yeah, me get that.
Yeah.
I open the box and say, it's raw. You carry back in the Darcel and laugh. Ceviche.
Yeah, right.
Ceviche. I just, me carry right back in and say, oh, this raw. They said, no, that's
I look on the
ceviche.
menu and I say, okay, that look decent.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing with me. I'm not looking at the name and I'm more if you know if you
must look back like
Yeah, but me then, I want to look like, almost like, look, Pollo tropical type spot. Let me say ceviche fish. I only think I went there for fish, I think. So yeah, me get that. Who me not even know say a raw fish.
Just call one day, I go somewhere, we go eat right here in Miami, you know. Where we go, we cook with two whole team.
Yeah.
And go to a restaurant and see they have some fish menu there. I say, Papa, I have to make sure, so when I place my order, I call the eat. So come here. I want to cook. Because I don't know raw food. Yo, my people eat. Because fish, you know, you want to pass over the heat. You want to pass over the heat good enough. It's not need nothing.
Yeah.
You can't eat even steam if you take you out that water and you can't just go to boom and bust it and sprinkle the salt and lime pan in
Right.
and eat.
Then I eat this up.
Yeah, but I mean, I tell you, you can't eat that.
then. I understand.
Different level, different lifestyle. Millions! Yeah, oh, we do it. I'll tell you now, yeah, then. Oh, we do it.
Remember say,
Where's the one in turn girl crown?
no,
can't do that.
they know you go tell her.
You have to kind of this.
Oh yeah, so
Tell
man, you have to do
easy
the right,
stuff,
man.
just taking time,
Taking
man.
time
Yeah,
because
taking time.
I move forward and I better.
Nobody flipping
So
it.
he might tell me, say, hey daddy, he wanna go to, he go to movie. He want his girlfriend go to movie. I said, what movie?
My boss and my girlfriend, that's good.
Yeah,
You
and
know
I
the
say
mom?
no, but me I say, what you mean movie? Because I'm talking to me now, but a big man level, that one.
Yeah.
So
Right.
I say, oh, what you mean movie? What movie talking about?
Yeah.
No, you know work so fast, because this little girl in who already 2 times.
You know the other parent. You know the mom at least. You know the people, the mom. Or the
No,
mom.
him
Yo.
mom know the way.
You see, you look for your
Oh,
son now.
people know, but no, you have to kind of get in.
What's that one now?
No, hell,
When we say get in for at least,
Yeah, I know.
look out for
Yo.
them to walk.
Yeah.
What is now? Your son at 14. You at 14 at Jamaica, you're a big man. You go a party.
No, but that's
You dey
Jamaica.
you dey
No, that's
drink.
Jamaica,
You dey do
yeah.
everything.
That's-
Me, look for me as 14. Me a big man.
No, but
We're not supposed to be big.
we're not
man.
supposed
You're
to
right.
be
Different
but
culture.
yeah,
You're right.
Different culture. Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right now, you're 14 years, so right now you look like, hey, when the man go young man, I get one little girl for themselves. Every day they on phone, and every corner they hitch up, then gone. You understand?
Yeah.
This go young girl, I hold them 2 times and rub their head 2 times, man.
Aye,
And tell them in a idiot, man. What you say, man?
True.
Later on, you find one next boy gone left him in there, the worries the boy girlfriend gone left him.
Dry
You understand? Dry, cry,
And you have
cry.
to give
Where say you have to carry my class
You
first.
have to carry my daddy class, and we come follow your daddy class.
And show him the ropes.
And show him ropes.
Yeah, man.
So now make no little girl come rub your head and take your face.
It don't happen, you know. It don't happen. It happen to all of we at least one
Oh, you're
time.
not for saying that. God. You know most.
When you give me no money as a youngster, so no woman no rob me.
Oh, listen. You have, me and you have to know that. Not you, Andre, say, listen. When you go to the hey, I lie to you, bro. Every man go through this in their life. You have only go first girlfriend where you say you love. You give them roses. At school, give them you love them.
Valentine's Day, you have to buy
Valentine's Day, you buy them roses. You come over from that, brother. Them broke your heart and gone, brother. If you're not tough, you would have turned madman and dirty foot in the street. So,
Well, say that way I'm with
Tell me
you.
when you're younger.
You went to a madman.
Madman, where you mad? Me left foot, me left. What you call them, left step for myself. So if you gone, me go say, alright, that's how you go. Hey, I want you to believe in a lie, say, you know. When you, if a woman left you, you know, whether you're a grown man or, you know, grown or you whatever, and she left you,
Yeah.
you have to fight, tell her, say, listen, you have to move on. Because guess what? There's some woman out there still need a man, same way, somebody who reliable can look up to.
Well, say, next.
If you take yourself and go mad and go crazy and go dirty and think and walk in the street as a madman, nobody now look for you.
Next.
The woman they gone and gonna find the next man and live happy.
Like you're not even
Believe me, bro, like you're not even exist. But the master about
And they
that.
move on quick.
I move on quick and fast. So therefore, brother, when you're in a relationship, you leave walking space. You live with the man, brother, the metal.
Yeah.
When me come America, I live with them. Is it?
Your brother come up before you.
Yeah, me come back and live with them.
A little heartbreaking if
Yeah.
you know say okay your brother that grew.
But
But
you
not
know
be the
say- you
closest,
know
but
say, hey.
not even come around each other. If say, I'm looking for my niece and nephew.
Yeah, there you go.
Let me see
You
what
know what thing you know?
Yeah, so your brother in about 10 years.
Me listen better around 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
I ain't there, they live right down the
You
road.
right down the road. You know my son.
I know.
You know my son doing it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Talk to him.
No
You know
war
my
or
son.
nothing
Listen,
no
you know my
about.
son.
Okay.
In
At least in cool, in good with you and nephew.
in good my son, but in just stay away. Don't leave a man to
Some
them.
people just stay like that, and they're
Yeah,
just different.
Yeah, it's a fair accept it.
Hey. Last week, me there, I say, you know, say, you know some fees and type of way, but me don't make it.
Alright, let's bring him in. Right, that's so. Right in front of his side. Good day, good day, good day. brother. How you reach here?
To Lando.
Lando, prime time Lando.
Yes.
Alright, welcome. You're part of the family now, you know.
I am the student boss, yeah.
See the cook, yeah, this is the boss. I'm not the boss. This is the boss. Right?
Respect.
What's your name?
Robert.
Robert. Big up.
So you enjoyed the fish last week when you come to see your forward back again. Alright, so but you still a control support. See that man. Up
Man,
on
yeah.
These young kids, they don't know for you. Sometimes they take it to them head and they're mad, they go some more drink. They can't let them chip.
Them build different,
Bad,
man.
bro. The first thing they might think to, if you go hurt themselves, some of them cut themselves, some of them
Nah,
don't
they
even
will.
think to themselves. Just to ease them pain.
Yeah.
Brother,
Because
me know what me
depression
say.
is a
depression
thing
high,
where
it can kill them.
you can't grab people up
So
on the
therefore you have the kids to talk to them.
Yeah.
Tell them, you can't, you know, tell them son, no love, you know. Love is
No,
there,
yeah,
but
yeah.
the good and the bad.
Just take your
Love
time.
is the only
You have to regulate your
solution.
feelings. You have to take your time.
You have to take your time because you know what, if you go somewhere and you hear son go say, daddy, come tell me that you know some love a girl, when she come, I want to meet her.
Yeah.
You get me? First thing you go sit down and talk to your son and say, son, I'm not going to say you're not to in love with her, but at the same time, just don't fall too deep. Cause she just ready to explore, you just ready to explore. You know how you just ready to beat up one another. Later on, this woman I say in final, I go hot boy are you? With tail in her back, we are more strong are you? You know what that mean? Alright. So I say go man.
Joe.
Yeah.
Which part? A yard?
Yeah.
So when they make, so you tell me, say when they make more money a yard?
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. When I make money a year, I come make money. Believe.
You come America and take a back step.
And then I come America and then I slow down.
You regret it?
Huh? I mean, no, I don't.
No, but I don't.
But
Everybody
no,
have
but
go.
when we slow down,
Sometimes you have
no.
to make 2 back steps to
Yeah,
make 1 good step.
there you go. Where?
So
When
this
I
one is-
come, I slow down for a year.
Right.
A year and a half. You get me?
You have to start out yourself. You have
I
to-
mean, I have to start out myself because I be 25-year-old, 26-year-old.
At 26 you come here?
Come America, yeah.
You come here, young one.
And then come
25 and 26,
young one. But I
Yeah,
went
we're
25 and
26.
26. We now.
But that big man that to come in America, bro. We're gonna learn.
Are
everything
young
all
age
over.
just still man?
But we're gonna learn
You
everything.
see
all over.
26 is a good age for catch on.
Bro. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. But
But you have to remember, say Jamaica different. Cause you done school from about 16 in Jamaica.
Alright.
So by the time you're in your 20s, you kind of already
Yeah,
established.
when you come at them in time, you have to come and learn the whole street, the whole driving code, the whole everything.
Yeah.
You see me? You see down in my house, read book. You believe in a them type of voodoo thing that bring you down. As a man, you believe in a God and He wake you up. And He put you to sleep, Papa. No, you cannot stop that, brother. Then if you walk down the road and you go to come and say, "I'm king and food you," and turn him on your foot out, yeah. You don't think I'm kill him and you can't food me?
I understand, but what I try to
Brother,
say is,
believe in God.
That's a God to the world.
You see, mankind, me sit down and remember as a little youth, what is lady I'm back home. You see, in a yard, you full of. We are nothing better. We are nothing better. We don't God, we are nothing. No matter what man I tell us, I'm obey you. You might go do this to you. No listen to nobody, brother. And I might put you to sleep and I might wake you. And that's the word about, brother. Mankind only can chat. Believe me, I tell you that. Believe me, that's what I tell you. No matter how many days I'm good, bro. I listen to people. People are going to try to say things to break you down. And you go fall for that and fall on the same evil road where them a go, and then you think, oh, me I go think evil, go over and go spend out all the money, I go do evil for it. Brother, not think like that. Listen, right now you going to sleep, who gonna put to sleep? Who wake up in the morning? Him. Mankind out there talk, if he could have over you right there, he could have make you crash. Make him over you and make money and will out of himself, then he can talk to you. And think like a dog, a God.